So I thought I'd show you what I've been up to keep the little one entertained and also myself, which has been fun. So I was out in the garden over the Easter weekend, and me and my other half was tidying it up and trimming things and cutting the grass, and he rebuilt a stone wall that was falling down, and which was it was lovely. It's getting there, So I've still got a lot to do. And then I noticed there's some birds in the trees, and we haven't got a bird table, a bird feeder or anything, because I couldn't get there because it was like full of nettles, and they're like, oh, bigger than me. Huge they were. So I've been rooting around in the cupboards and under the sink and stuff like that, and I've made a bird bowl. So what I've done, see this gross thing here, is got some peanut butter and some bread, and I just took the pieces of the bread. Oh, I get sneeze. Oh, that's me. Might be allergic to peanuts. So yeah, so I've got peanut butter, some bread, and then bird seed. I've just mixed it all together, then used my hand, and I've literally just moulded it into shape. There is some bits still falling off, but I think, yeah, I'm gonna stick it on one of the branches, I think, and use it as a little bird feeder bowl, and see if it attracts any of the small birds out there, because they're always tweeting away. So I thought, well, got to make an effort, and get Lolly out in the garden as well. So yeah, there you go. So you can make a bird seed feeder bowl out of peanut butter, some broken up bits of bread, and some bird seed. If you haven't got any bird seed, you can also put I think dried bits of fruit like raisins and sultanas. If you haven't got peanut butter, lard's a good one to mould. There you go, I was quite chuffed with that. Not bad, is it? Me and me bird bowl. Right, I'm going to go try this out. Right, cheers and go on.